Hey everyone, welcome back to Fix It Flow. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to move your mobile contacts to Gmail step by step. Before we dive in, I'm on a mission to hit 1,000 subscribers. So if you find this video helpful, please support me by hitting that subscribe button and tapping the bell icon for all future updates. It really means a lot. Let's get started. Open Gmail and tap on your profile picture. Select Manage your Google account, then swipe to the People and Sharing tab. Scroll down and tap on Contact Info from your devices. At the top, turn on Save Contact Info from your signed-in devices. Next, scroll down and tap on Google Contacts to check what's already synced. Now, open your phone's Contacts app. Tap Organize greater than Export to File. Choose Device, select the folder, and save the file. Go back to Gmail. Tap the three lines, then select Import. Tap Select File, choose the file you just saved, and then hit Import. And that's it. Your mobile contacts are now successfully moved to Gmail. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.